Keith Simmons here with Eagle Carports, and today we're at the farm of Mike Jessup here in Pilot Mountain, North Carolina. This beautiful building, of course, was sold by Ian Tedder at Tedder Logistics. And today we just want to do a follow-up because Mike has a very nice building. He's done some upgrades too, some spray foam, and we just wanted to keep you guys up to date on how things have progressed. Mike Jessup, customer of ours, so of course he bought from Ian Tedder here. Mike, we just wanted to find out how this project got started.
Well, I guess originally I started out with a vision of what I wanted. I spoke with Ian about it several times. He drew up exactly what I was looking for, and I can't tell you, I couldn't be more pleased. The service has been amazing. The guys that put this building up were really professional. They did it in 4 days, and I'm amazed at that.
So Ian, with Tedder Logistics, you guys have been selling for Eagle for how long?
About 5 months now.
5 months. So how's it been going?
It's been going great. One of the things that we try to do at Tedder Logistics is provide quality customer service. And I would say teaming up with Eagle has allowed us to do that. We've built several buildings on my own farm, and I experienced that same quality service. So that was my goal into getting into this, is providing quality service, good communication with our customers, and giving them ultimately what they need.
Absolutely. And obviously, Mike, having this building built and the progressions that it's made, job well done, looks like to me. Job well done.
In fact, I hired every one of the subcontractors that he recommended to finish it for me.
That's fantastic. And that
Concrete to plumbing to electrical.
Absolutely. So Mike, in looking, at the structure here, I see that you've got some spray foam.
Yeah, we put spray insulation in it. I just thought it would work a little better. In the front up here, in this front awning, I have it'll be my man cave. We put a bathroom in it because this will be the only structure on the farm.
Yeah.
So I need a place to hang out. But yeah, everything's going great. I love the quality of this place.
People think these metal structures are carports. I mean, our name, we're Eagle Carports, but we're much bigger than that. We do metal structures, and now that you have been with us, like you say, for 5 months, how have you seen it evolve?
Well, I think people like Mike had a vision of what they wanted, and they may have not known exactly which direction to go in. So we're able to work on that. And one of the things that we try to do as a local business is obviously support other local businesses. For this project alone, we had Stokes Dirt Works help us with the septic system. Procon Construction and gave us the foundation, the concrete work here. And then Foothills Plumbing took care of the plumbing stuff for us. And there's other contractors that were involved with this. I think something that provides great customer service is, we give them the list of those folks that they can also rely on, that have those same standards, and that way they will get a good product at the end of the day.
Eagle Carports have been in business now for 30 years. This is our 30th year being in business. And we talked about this morning about, how we couldn't do it without dealers. And, you having the RV park, that's how this came about. I was out driving around. I live in Pilot Mountain, and I thought, Black Dog Acres, man, that sounds like it's a cool place. So I went there, and I met Meredith. And the reason I went is because RV parks right now are hot. I mean, look, it costs a lot of money to go stay in a hotel or anything like that. And man, if you've got a camper or an RV, you can come and see Ian and Meredith and family at Black Dog Acres, of course, here in Pilot Mountain. And we can just build upon this together. And that's what it's all about. How do I get in touch with you?
Yeah, you can either give us a call at 910-599-2137 or visit our website, tedderlogistics.com. We'll be happy to help you design your project all the way start to finish. We'll work with you and make sure that you're happy with your final project that you have an idea for.